Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Kelvin from Raw Search. Thank you for joining in. Today I'll be looking at Hang Seng Index trades. So as you can see right now, Hang Seng Index is already down for 199, 200 points. So I've not done any trades yet. So I'm just waiting for a good time for a good entry. Okay. So let me see. Let me turn on some rebound. Today, what's my plan for this trades trading over here is I will do a trades for a rebound up, and then another trades continuation of price out. Okay, so looking at this price movement, that might be a good trade. So there will be two trades. So I'm thinking whether should I go for a rebound trades from here. Okay, it's time to go in for a rebound trade. Call. UB call over here. Let's see, outstanding doesn't show 18830, which is 300 points of buffer. That is great. The top UB doesn't show the what? Oh yeah, I can trade. 68277. Let me check. What's the outstanding here? Okay. Other region, agree. 68277. Right, 68277. See how much is the outstanding. Funding cost, outstanding 0. Okay, great. I'll look for this. Okay, so today we got it at about 2.9. Just need to prepare for selling. So I need to watch this rebound, how far they can go. So the today price down is about 231. So I've done the entry. So we're expecting to have it back to maybe, but we need to check. If let's say less than that, it shows sign that they are not marking higher, then I will straight away go for an exit, okay, or a cut loss or early exit. Maybe up to here. So there should be about maybe about 80 points. So not much. I still need to check and see. So again, if let's say you want to open a trading account, there will be there is a QR code on the left side. So scan the QR code or maybe go to the link in the description box to open a trading account, and then I will share this Hang Seng Index day trading sharing for every one of you. Okay, so right now let's focus back into the market. Today this price up here is just a short term. I'm not expecting to take a lot of what do you call it, the profit out from that. The reason is because the constituent value or stocks of it, constituent stocks of Hang Seng Index, today majority of them are actually going down. So I can show it to you, like Hang Seng Index, the constituents, majority of them are going down. I think it's only 3 is up and then 4 is actually unchanged only. So it's more towards to the bear market. So that's why I'm not expecting too much from this rebound trades. Continuation of price down. So I just want to catch the small rebound. Or else right now from here it continue goes down unless it's going for like 400 points of price down, or else they need to mark the price back up higher before they throw the price down lower. Excuse me. If you look at the daily price of Hang Seng Index, okay, pardon me with all the chart there, the price down is actually pretty much confirmed. So if let's say today the opening price is actually at how much? 19355. So 19355, the fluctuation, if let's say goes down to 19041, is not I won't say it is not able to happen. It can be happening, okay? But if let's say one shot they go all the way down to 190 plus today, then it means that it will have a fast rebound back up also. But right now we don't see that at the moment. So we need to see if let's say the planning is like this, okay? So right now we are entered into a rebound trades, okay? A rebound trade. So if we are in a rebound trade, in a very short rebound back up higher, so then we can expect the price to come back down to the total today. The price down is about maybe 300 points. But if let's say right now they don't have a rebound, it goes all the way to about what, like 190 plus, then we need to wait until when it falls to this level, then we go for a rebound trade maybe, okay? So we need to take a look, wait and see, or a failure. Our entry is here. So maybe some of you who are trading Hang Seng Index, you might be thinking like, hey, what is this? What is 68277 here? Okay, so most of the Malaysian, we use structure warrant to trade Hang Seng Index, right? So right now we don't do that anymore. For me, I don't do that anymore. The reason is because structure warrant, the price fluctuation is very little comparing to this CBBC, okay? Because it takes very long time. If let's say like Hang Seng Index move like maybe 100 points, then it only move like maybe a few cents. But for CBBC, move like at least 10 ticks. Not at least, about 10 ticks. Okay, won't be, you know, 1-to-1 itself. Ching up. So my way of trading is a bit different. I don't set any take profit target. I don't set any best entry price, but I have the best entry timing and take profit timing. So how I time that, I'm looking at just the price and volume itself, okay? So it's very simple. You don't have to draw the lines. You don't have to use the laggy indicators that cause you losing some of your late entry, or maybe always get yourself trapped at the high side if let's say you are using like maybe resistant breakout or those. So this way I find it's much more easier and more reacting responsive to market changes of the price changes. So if you want to find out more, okay, you can open a trading account with me on the left side, scan the QR code, or maybe go to the description box to click the link and open a trading account with me. And then we'll start trading this CBBC here. I'll share with you how to analyze and add you into my Telegram chat group, so you can learn from that. So of course the brokerage fee I'm charging a little bit higher because I'll be sharing this to you every day. So it will be at 0.15% or 27 Hong Kong dollar per trade. Okay, so a little bit higher than the usual one, which is at 0.1%. Okay, so take it as a form of support, a token of support for me. If let's say I share with you some of the good trades, right? All right. So yeah, this 68277 over here is not a structured warrant. It is a CBBC. So it's not listed in Malaysia. It's not in KLCI or KLSE. It's in Hong Kong Exchange. So you don't need to have a huge fund to trade. So you can see today the one I trade over here is actually 29. The value is about like the cost is 0.029. So the underlying asset is actually Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index, and then the one I bought is about 10,000 lot. 10,000 lot, no, 100,000 lot, 100,000 unit, sorry, 100,000 unit, so it's 2,900 Hong Kong dollar only. So in Malaysia ringgit, it's probably about like 1,600 or 1,700, I'm not sure. So you can actually start trading with very small amount of capital. That is a good thing, and the return is actually quite awesome, right? So take a look. Cents, no, 3 cents, sorry, 3 cents. Let me see any of the sign of reversal, because we are going against the trend, so that's why we have to be extra careful of that. So when we are trading, try not to put any of our expectation into the trades, okay? If you look back into the trades that you have done earlier, you will find that most of the time why we are holding on to a lot of losses, or the losses grow bigger, is because our expectation is always put prioritizing on profit making. So when you're at the losing side, then you will start to have put in your own expectation that you want to have a profit, right? So when you want to have the profit, then you are going to blind yourself from all the analysis, all the information that is shown in front of you, that is telling you there will be a reversal, or maybe there will be the price is going against you. Okay, so don't put any of your own expectation into any of the trades. It is very dangerous, because that's why you are always get blindfolded with that. At the moment, we see the prices going down a little bit. In the meantime, let me find some stocks. I mean, some of the, because later on I need to go into a put warrant. So right now this is a, sorry, not put warrant, bear CBBC. So right now this one we are looking at the core CBBC, right? So I need to look for some core bear CBBC. Bear CBBC, we have at this point with this, okay. Bear CBBC, we have see here. So all those with the RC are the core CBBC. So right now we just need to have put. So same old thing. I'm going to check. Of course, the expiry date is important, but we can see the CBBC expiry date is always like very long time, far away from that. So the active one are always like far away from it. So not always, but most of the time I see it's not like Malaysia structured warrant, where only those that is close to the expiry date then is what you call that, then is actively traded, right? But this one is not. CBBC is not. So we can see strike price, if let's say we're going for a put, strike price 198, so it's far away from it, so it's still okay. And then outstanding is only like maybe 3 to 2%, 1%. All these are the one that we can choose. And then most importantly is the conversion ratio. So I don't want to get into any of it that is not sensitive to the price movement. Okay. Very high volume here for this candle. Let's see whether they can go through this area. So-called, everyone will always like to call it like a resistance, okay? But I don't usually use that as a resistance, draw a resistance line. Can they go through it? Can they do it? Can they move higher? Right now, they're giving a second try, and then third try, and then it's coming up soon. Okay, it's higher than the previous high. Right now, let's see whether they can sustain or not. And let's see. Okay, it's going up a bit more higher. and slightly a bit more higher again. I'm not going to show this. Back to my the trade first. I get later I might want to what do you call that, the take profit on that. Put enhance first. Put this. Wait, let me check the volume. If today they need to, then they come back to here 1920 and go for another round. Maybe not 20, maybe not 25, maybe 24 something, and then go back down to 300 plus, because today they have already 1937 down to 19151, so it's about 150 point. 150, about 300 points. Okay, makes sense for today price movement. All right, it's a bit of first sign of showing price peak is coming up for this short-term price movement. Okay, 200 profit, then that's it. I'm just gonna take it. All right, I'm just gonna take the 200 profit here. Okay. It's submitted, but it's not clear yet. Why I don't want to put it as the market here is because sometimes I don't want it to hit the, I scared later they throw it down to the bid price. What I will do is sometimes I'll do things like this. I say right now the asking price is 3.1, right? So I just put 3.0. So it will get filled immediately. So fill price is also 3.0. Nah. Oh, because there are people selling at no, there's no one selling at 3.0. The buyer will come in and buy it. The what do you call it, the issuer, because they need to do the market making. So from here we have I need 34, 3,000. So we sell at 3.0. Oh, okay. There are fees. So only 1 cent of price up, I'm able to sell it. Because I put it at 3.1. Never mind. Okay, let's see. The other one is able to make it at that point. So right now, the next thing we need to do is not going for a call right now. I'm waiting for it to go for a put, a bear contract. So just now I have put in one of it that is, I want to look at it. Is it this one? I think this is the one. Never mind, I find again. Hang Seng Index, warrants, and then I'm going to choose a put. So all these RC are the call. 1980 is the put, is the strike price. So this strike price is still okay. This strike price is still okay, still far away from it. Outstanding 3% is a bit too much. But well, ten thousand. Okay. Maybe I'll go for this one. 1%. 5.9. Ah, but this one cheaper. Okay, extra 2% of outstanding is still okay. 67654. Okay, is marked higher. We have seen a high volume here. Just need to time the entry for a reversal. So you might think I missed out this whole stretch of, I think, about how many cents of profit? 6, 1, 2, 3. It's only 2 cents of one or maybe 2 cents of profit if you convert into the price. So it's still okay, because right now the market is actually in the bear market, the bear trend. Today the bear trend is much more towards into the bear trend. So if let's say you have the profit, then just take it. I don't want to take the risk. Not to say I don't want to take the risk, I want to minimize the risk. Of course the risk is there, so I don't want to risk it. Correct, right? Okay. Wait for me. Oh no, I put enhanced limit. Market. I buy lah. We put it at 5.9. Need to sell it first. Okay, our point of entry, I put here first, so I know later on where to see it. They're confirming moving up and down. Okay, so morning trade, we have about 34 Hong Kong dollar is made. Not much, but looking at this, we are just we just want the price up like this. Okay, so of course just now we can see there's about like $100 of profits by right, but 64, because minimum is about $27, so in out is about like about 60. So it's better for you to trade at least maybe 20 lots out from that, so you can move up. Because usually I don't do this kind of small trade. I will catch those at least like maybe 100 points. So 100 points, then it will have about 10 ticks for this. So 10 ticks if you are buying like 20 lots. So it means that you have about 200. So 200, you are confirm able to cover that, and you have about like $130+ of profit out from there. Okay, so because of the brokerage rate, so that's why I try not to go in for a much more bigger, shorter, or just taking profit of maybe 1 or 2 ticks. Okay, so that's why here. Okay, great. It doesn't seem like it shows that pause in price for. All right, so it will be a long day down. All right, so I think this one will have a continuation of price down. So because today I see those stocks that is going down is 4%, 3%, all those, and then 4%, 3%, and then even the bigger cap one is actually at the downside. Those that is up is 0.88. It's something like yesterday where most of the stock is actually up, going up like 4%, 3%. So today we have this thing over here, so it means that it's more likely to have towards downside. But of course, it might be different. I might be wrong at the end of the day. So we need to see how it goes. Okay. So again, if you want to follow the trades and also want to find out more about this CBBC, want to do this thing, every one of you to open a trading account with me with the QR code. Scan the QR code, or maybe go to my the description link to click on the account opening link. So once you have opened an account, do let me know, or drop me a text, or drop me a PM in Facebook, so I know that you are there, so I can add you into my my Telegram group. So if you have So that's very simple. So if you have any question on the account opening, so you can find us as also. So with the current, there's a promotion. If you deposit 1,000 ringgit minimum, you get a chance of making a getting a free shares, okay, up to 800 ringgit. So you can see from here, this Man United over here is the free shares. So it's 24 USD. So if you deposit 1,000, then you get like 24 over here. So 24 is about like 8% of returns. Okay, but of course, the lowest one we find is actually the Snapchat. Snapchat is about 10 over USD. So in ringgit is about 40 over dollar. So 40 over ringgit. So you get about 4% in 7 days. So which is good, right? So open a trading account right now, enjoy the promotion. At the same time, you get to learn and follow the CBBC trade that I'm going to share here, okay? And lastly, remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our future live stream are coming up, okay? Thank you. I'll see you guys again in next week, or maybe tomorrow I'll do another round of sharing. And if you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section, and or any other videos that you would like us to talk about, then we try our best to do it. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.